What's up, guys? It's me, 400. 400 subs. 400 subs. We're gonna do the Crackles unboxing from Spring Halloween 2026. So let's get started. Ah. Ugh. Bro, I can't see shit, bro. Bro, I'm sorry, guys. This is SVI and I have the worst quality. Yo, I swear, if I... Yo, I'm actually sweating right now. You guys can see the instructions. Setup. Yeah. Okay. God, bro. Sorry, I had to cancel the Pop-Tart costume. I cannot see shit in there. Oh, wait, no, this is the wrong one. Oh, dumbass. See? Let's go. Sweet. I got it dirty. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, can you actually see? Hold up. I need to, you know. I was about to say that was a control box. Let's go. Got it. First try. Shoulder piece? Wait, no. Oh, of the clothes. Obviously. Oh, shit. I'm taller than him. No, he's taller than me. I'm a short ass. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry, bro. I cannot see shit on my Pop-Tart. I'm very sorry. I might do this when we get to the head. Whatever, bro. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, okay? Hey, yo! Fucking go in. Let's go. So, guys, this is Crackles. So, we did everything. I had to cut a little bit because I was struggling with the wires. And yeah, he's complete. Everything's okay. The Velcro. Like this. So it doesn't. Yeah, so let's get started. Oh shit.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
So this guy is Crackles. He's really cool. He's Spanish.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited.
Okay.
I could burst.
He's Crackles. Yeah, he's
Surprise!
amazing.
Now it's time for the real
Size should be a
show.
little bit better. It has like more lines from his body. So yeah, he looks really cool. It's really good.
I saved the grand finale just for you.
So this is Crackles, and he looks really cool. Again, the quality should be better. I hope he doesn't break, because if he is, I don't know, man. I know some hunters has his head broken, because when it opens his head up, the bloody ass face, it cannot close it. It cannot close it. Yeah, you know. So this is it, guys. Like and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe for more. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
I faked the grand finale just for you.
Now try not to scream too much. Yeah!